Wanna know how to encrypt and decrypt text using basic Caesar Cipher? So today we are diving into a classic encryption technique, the Caesar Cipher method. This is a simple method to encode text by shifting each letter by a fixed number of positions in the alphabet. In our Java code, we take each character of the string, check if it's the letter, and then shift it forward for encryption. Non-letter characters stay the same. To decrypt it, we just shift back by the same number. For example, in this code, if we shift letters by 3 for encryption, we shift by 26 minus 3 for decryption as well. This gives us the original text back perfectly. It's a great exercise to understand character manipulation, ASCII values, and loops. You can experiment with different shift values, uppercase and lowercase letters, and even extend it to numbers. This small project teaches you the foundation of cryptography logic in Java, and it's fun to play with secret messages with friends. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.